Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're talking about the Multifunctional Right Angle Ruler. This high-precision positioning tool is a must-have for anyone working on woodworking projects. Let me tell you why you need to add this to your toolkit. First off, this ruler is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, providing the perfect combination of durability and lightweight design. The corrosion resistance ensures that this tool will last you for years to come, no matter how many projects you take on. The hole design allows for easy marking at various angles, and the centimeter hole makes measuring a breeze. Plus, the anti-drop handle means you can work hands-free without any risk of the ruler walking away from your work. But the real standout feature is the line drawing needle, which allows you to mark precise angles with ease. This adds a level of accuracy to your woodworking that is truly unmatched. So, if you're serious about woodworking and want to take your projects to the next level, the Multifunctional Right Angle Ruler is a game changer. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your craft with this specialized tool. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on the Multifunctional Right Angle Ruler today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.